Our today's video is about making transparent objects in Autodesk 3ds Max. So let's first create this object. Now create another object, and now we will make these objects transparent. So to do this, just okay, first check it in rendering. It will look like this, but now we will make this object transparent so that we can see the second object. To make it transparent, select this object, this one, and right click on this object here. Now here click on object properties. In object properties, here you see the visibility option. The visibility is 1, so we will decrease this visibility to 0.5 and OK. Now check this in rendering. Here you see the second object, this one, is transparent. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Easy EDU for more videos. Thank you.